So today we are going to introduce a company called MUJI. The full name of MUJI in Japanese is Mujirushi Ryonghi, which stands for No Quality Goods. The philosophy of MUJI designing their product is that they don't use particular logo or particular design on this product. I think this could allow customers to be more creative and showing more personality by using their products and focusing more on their goods rather than the logo. So the characteristic of MUJI's products that they don't use specific logos and they sell simple goods with high quality products. As you can see in the picture that their design was very simple, and MUJI is an industry of manufacturing and retail, and in recent years they started to open up their own cafe. They manufacture stuff from the small things from stationery to furniture. They even open up their clothing line and their skincare and cosmetic line. Now let's talk about the environmental impact that MUJI might have. MUJI has opened up over 400 stores in native Japan and over 300 internationally. It's such huge companies that it's inevitable that they might bring up some environmental problem. But at this point, we see that MUJI tries hard to be more eco-friendly, and so you can see in the PPT. Let's talk about some strategy that MUJI takes to be more eco-friendly. The first thing, they use paper label instead of the plastic one, and they avoid using artificial dye on their clothes, and also the third point, they use organic cotton to make their clothing. The fourth one was kind of interesting, is that as you speak of Japanese product, you usually come up with the that they over packaging their products. So MUJI tried to break this kind of image by they keep the packaging simple. And then the last one, they use base woods as their interior design of their store. Since we all agree with MUJI's philosophy and we all prefer to stay in a company with higher sustainability, so that's why MUJI is our first choice. And later on, let's welcome Hank to introduce more about MUJI.
Okay, let me introduce the size of MUJI. MUJI is the biggest company in Japan. In this photograph, we can see lots of store booths in this photo. There are about 7,000 goods in there. In addition, we can see a lot of chain stores anywhere. For example, Taiwan, America, China. Except Japan, no more MUJI store. They have Cafe MUJI, Meal MUJI, and campsite. And they have provide the culinary service. It's similar like the restaurant. The next part is for the location of MUJI. MUJI has expanded the operation in 56 countries. There are about 700 stores around the world. The third part is promotion chance. If you want to promote for your department place, all of employees must go to Japan 1 year and internship, employee training. They need to attend the meeting, conference for strategies and how to understand the other countries' culture. Training is the most important for all of the employees. It can increase your ability when you work. Furthermore, is kind to generate the news for novice employees in the future. The last part is learn the useful skill in MUJI. It's MUJI Grant. MUJI Grant is the MUJI store's work manual. All of the employees can learn some professional knowledge in there. For example, product management, delivery, selling, and crisis management. We can learn information and some detail in MUJI Grant. Furthermore, they can switch the rules of MUJI Grant once a month. We need to discuss and give the common feedback for their manager. If they agree, the MUJI Grant can change their opinion and rules for the new version's MUJI Grant. In my opinion, this is the most important for MUJI stores employees. I think the MUJI's employee can increase their ability for MUJI Grant. Okay, our presentation is finished. Thanks for watching.